So what we're using here is what they call a slam hammer, which is actually a trenching tool. It's actually, we use this besides using or a spade or a shovel. The reason why is it's a little bit thicker. It's actually a lot wider, and it's a lot deeper. We try to get our trench about 8 inches to 12 inches in the ground, but this is a really heavy piece. So it does really well with hard surfaces, hard soils and things like that. It also makes a really nice V pattern, so we can actually tuck the wire pretty far down in the ground.